A few weeks ago, I did a video on how to place bracket, market, limit, and stop orders on Interactive Brokers TWS right from within the Excel. I suggest that you first watch that video as this video is based on that. I'll leave a link of that video in the description below. So after I released the initial video, I started getting a few queries from the traders. One of the first queries that I got was if it's possible to place a bracket order with two take profit orders. The answer is yes. So I updated the initial Excel to add that functionality and I did another video on that. I also suggest that you watch that video. I'll leave a link of that video in the description below. Another query that I got after I released the initial video was if it's possible to place a bracket order with adjustable stop. That is a stop that adjusts automatically once certain price conditions are met. For example, a stop that moves to break even once price moves in your favor by a certain amount. So the answer is again yes. And I have updated the Excel to add that functionality, and that is what I'll be showing in this video. So this is the updated version of the Excel. Let me quickly summarize what we have here. So there are three tables. The first table on the left is the contract details table. In this table, we specify the details of the contract in which we want to place the order. The second table is the market data table. In this table, Excel will fetch live streaming market data for whatever contract is specified in the first contract details table. So let's take an example and specify the ticker as Google. So as soon as we do that, Excel fetches the bid price, ask price, last price, day high, day low, and the previous close into the respective cells. The third table is the bracket order table. In this table, we specify the details of the bracket order that we want to place. So the first four rows are for specifying the direction, quantity, and the entry price for the parent entry order. Next, two rows are for specifying the target price and the quantity for the first profit taker. And next two rows are for specifying the target price and quantity for the second profit taker in case you have two profit takers. And then these next three rows are for specifying the details of the adjustable stop. So I have pre-configured this bracket order table using Excel formulas. So this parent order is a buy order with total quantity of 200 shares, and stop price is equal to 164, which is directly linked to the day low using Excel formulas, and limit price is also equal to the stop price. Then the first profit target has a target price of 2% above the entry price, and the quantity is 60% of the total shares. So we exit 120 shares once the price reaches 167.3. The second profit target is 4%, and quantity is the remaining 40% of 200, that is 80 shares. And then we come on to the adjustable stop. So the initial stop price once we place the order is 162.4, which is 1% below the entry price of 164. And once the price moves in our favor by 1%, that is once price moves from 164 to 165.6, then the stop price would automatically adjust to whatever is specified in this cell. And right now we have specified the adjusted stop price to be 164, which is right now same as the entry price. So we can in a way say that this is a break-even price. Now let's try placing this bracket order. So let's click on this place order button. And as soon as we do that, three orders appear in the TWS window. The first order is the entry buy order at 164. The second order is the profit taker order, and this has two profit targets. The first profit target is at 167.3 with the total quantity of 120 shares. The second profit target is at 170.6 and quantity of 80 shares. And then the third order is the adjustable stop order. Let's click on this. So the initial stop price is 162.4, and once the price moves in our favor and reaches 165.6, the stop price would automatically adjust to 164. Now let's try placing a bracket order with adjustable stop in the Apple ticker. So let's change this ticker to AAPL, and let's again click this place order button. And as soon as we do that, 3 orders appear in the TWS window. So once we have configured this bracket order table, it becomes very easy and quick to place orders on TWS. I hope you liked this video. Please do let me know if you have any suggestions, feedback, or new ideas.